Hi students, the organic types of the IUPAC system of nomenclature. So of organic molecule. So prefix plus root word plus suffix. So this is the formula of nomenclature of organic molecule. So the nomenclature of organic molecule formula: prefix, root word and suffix. Before the root word is prefix, after the root word is suffix. What is the root word or word root? Root word and word root is, it is tells that number of carbon atoms present in the continuous or the continuous carbon chain of organic compound. So what is the root word? Root word or word root. Root word and word root. So it tells that number of carbon atoms present in continuous carbon chain in organic molecule. So suppose it is general name is alk. It is general name is alk. So the chain length and the root word. Chain length and root word. What is the chain length? One carbon is present in chain length, meth. Two carbon is present in eth. Three carbon is present in the chain length, prop. Four carbon it is present in chain length, but. Next one, five carbon is present, pent. So this is the chain length and the root word. In a carbon atom present in one, that is a meth. Two carbon atom is present in eth. Three carbon atom is present in chain length, prop. Four carbon atom is present chain length, but. Five carbon atom is present is a pent. So same way, that is a chain length and the root word. Chain length and root word. 6, that is the X. 7, it is the F. So 8, it is the oct. 9 is the non. It is the 10 is dec. It is 11. It is the undec. 12, it is the dodec. So it is a 13 tridec. So it is the C20. 20 carbons is present in the chain length. It is the ecos. So it is the chain length. So what is the root word? Root word, it tells that number of carbon atom present in the longest carbon chain is called the root word and the word. It is a generally all. Next one, suffix. What is the suffix? Suffix is two types. It is a primary suffix. And the secondary suffix. What is the primary suffix? Primary suffix is tells that it is a saturation and unsaturation of the carbon chain. So what is the saturation? Saturation means single bond in between the carbon atom. Unsaturation means in between the carbon atoms multiple bonds, that is the double bond and the triple bond. So it tells that saturation in between single bond carbon atoms, and are unsaturation in between double and triple bond carbon atoms. In the carbon chain. Suppose, for example, the nature of carbon chain are primary suffix, generic name. Nature of carbon chain, primary suffix and generic name. Nature of carbon chain, in between the carbon single bond, primary suffix is A. Generic name, already it is a word root is alk plus A, alkene. So the in between carbon is double bond, that is the primary suffix is ene. This is the alk plus ene, alkene. So in between carbon atoms is triple bond is present, that is the ine. So alk plus ine is alkyne. So it is a two double bonds, that is the adine. So that is alkadiene. So it is a two triple bond is present, that is the adiene, that is the alkadiene. So this is the primary suffix and the generic. Okay, thank you.